Welcome to my channel. Before we proceed to our ribbon flower tutorial, if it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order to get notified every time we upload videos. Materials that we need for this ribbon flower tutorial are ribbon, needle, and scissors. I tried my level best to make this ribbon flower tutorial as simple as possible. I hope it's now easy for you to make a ribbon flower of your own. Thank you for watching. Do let us know in comments if you're going to practice making this cutest ribbon flower.